Episode 127, How Consciousness Uses Structure and Function to Generate Reality Paths. Before we move into timelines, we need to pause and connect everything we have built so far. Because timelines don't exist in isolation, they are the output of a system. What we have covered so far, first we covered the foundations, what reality is, what consciousness is, what the field is. Then we covered structure, the architecture of identity, perception, emotion, thought, memory, and awareness. What components exist in the system. Then we covered functions, what those components actually do, how signal is formed, how the field responds, how information is stored, and how unresolved frequencies must be integrated. Why timelines come last? Timelines are not a separate concept, they are the result. They are what happens when consciousness uses structure and function together. The core mechanism, and this is very important. Consciousness operates as an input system. Structure provides the components, function defines how those components operate. The combined output of structure and function is a trajectory. That trajectory is what we call a timeline. What a timeline actually is, a timeline is not a prediction, it's not fate, it's not destiny. A timeline is a path of continuity generated by a consistent signal over time. Why timelines change or fail? When structure is unstable, timelines fragment. When functions are unconscious, timelines loop. When unintegrated waveforms exist, timelines destabilize from the point of origin. This is why we had to do structure and functions first. This is why we could not start with timelines. Without understanding structure, timelines look random. Without understanding functions, timelines look uncontrollable. Without integration, timelines never lock. What changes now? From this point forward, we stop talking about the components and we start talking about paths. How timelines form, how they branch, how they collapse, how they stabilize, and how consciousness moves through them without force. Key insight, you don't move through timelines by effort, you move through timelines by changing the inputs. Foundations explained what reality is, structure explained what exists, functions explained how it operates. Now we explore what that operation produces. Next, we begin the timeline series. How reality paths are generated, selected, and stabilized. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and follow for more aligned content. And if you're new, please start with episode 0, the source field. Everything builds progressively from there. And also, please do not forget to download free books and PDF for these episodes from the link in my bio. Thank you.